If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of this Cougar shoes. It's a boots because since winter is coming, so I have to buy a new boots I can use for the snow. Let's open it. You ready? Let's do it! Okay, let's open this. This is a suede boots, and this is good for winter because it's thick. My daughter's teasing me because she said it just looked like Aboriginal boots. This is leather in the side. It's like an almond shape tip right here. And this is a good one because it's not slippery. Right? You can take it off from here so it's easy to put on. That's a leather, but this one is suede. Okay, let's take this out. This one here. The inside, look at the inside. This is warm. This is minus 24 degrees. You can make it like, you can use it like this. Make it a style. Okay, let's open the box. I have here is the packing slip. Packing slip. It's cute. You can put this like, you can use it like this, like a slip-on, or you can make it like full size like this. It's a tall boots. Because here in Canada, it's very cold. And the one that I have, I used to have one and it's like more than 10 years old. I keep on getting it repaired. It's still in good condition, but it's about time to change it. See? Look at this. It's warm. It's like I don't know. I like it. Do you guys like it? Let me know if you do. If not, then I guess I'm gonna have to return it. Let's do the poll. Who likes it and who don't? Anyway, if you're in the Philippines, you don't need this, of course. Because I'm here in Canada, I need this boots. Let's see the other side. Let's open it. Look at this. The packaging is really, really good. Amazing. Wow. Oh, this is how it looks? I didn't know. Yes, I like it. Oh yeah, that's right. The back is like this. Because I'm small, I need to have a little bit of heels. My foot is flat, so it has to have a little little heels like this. Okay, I guess that's all for today. So I'll show you some pictures of these boots when I'm wearing them. Okay. So much. Let's do this. What do you think? Should I wear it like this? I think I can do this. Does it look like? Does it look ugly? Oh wow. Yeah. This one too. Is it ugly, Aja? No, I think it's the same height. Adi doesn't like it because of the collar. Maybe I should. What do I do here? Remove this collar. How do you remove this collar? Why there's Ugg boots.
Ugg boots?
Yeah, Ugg boots.
Ugly boots.
Ugg, and it's ugly
old ones.
because you know what? Look at this. This has been beaten by a peanut because of the leather is sweet, I think. When he was teething, right? So he bites this. It's about time to change my boots. Righty. Yeah. That's it. That's it. This is my new boots. What? I have to replace this old one. And look, Peanut got it. He bit this when he was a younger little guy. It's about time. This is very old. I have to replace it with this. Don't you like that? It's my winter boots. So soft and warm inside. So nice. Love it. I am very happy I got this. 60% off. It's $300 boots. And I got it for 60% off. See? What? Can't go wrong. It's a little bit bigger. I have to put socks, so it's just better. I asked my son to film me this one because I have to wear them, and so he can film it for me. I don't know what that red means, that design, but it's okay. Sweat, I have to get a cleaner for this because when the snow comes, this might get dirty. But this one is a leather, so it's okay. I don't have to worry about that. But this one is a suede. I mean, and this one is warm right now. It's just perfect fit on my, what do you call this? Back? Yeah, it's just good. Love it. So warm. It's a little bit bigger on this side, but because of the insert like this, it's a real skin.
See, like a 360.
The sheepskin.
360. Let's see a 360.
What 360?
Let's turn around.
Turn around. He wants me to turn around. Oh, it's perfectly. Oh, I have to take off the tag. It's mine now. I'm not returning this. You know, here in Canada, if you don't like the stuff, you can return it after 30 days. Before 30 days of purchase, even though you already wear it once, you have the option of returning it. But I'm not returning this because I love it. Feels so good on my feet. You know? Feels good. That's important because when the temperature is minus 25, I don't want my feet to get frozen. It's gonna be freezing cold. Anyway, that's all. Oh, I like it brown because it matches my purses. No? What do you think? Let me put this on. Okay. It's called Cougar boots. $20. Yes, for this kind of weather, you need to have a boots like this. So that's why I bought these boots for me this year. I have to treat myself for a nice boots, warm and cozy. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!